The difference between a frustrating session and a productive one usually comes down to how you write your prompts. So here's a few things I've learned from building a lot of apps with Claude Code. So first, be specific about what you want. You can say add a table, but that's pretty vague. But instead, you can say something like add a table called incident feedback with fields for rating, which is an integer 1 through 5, with comments, which is a string with that's 500 characters at most, and a reference to the incident table. So like if I give more of that, it gives the agent something concrete to actually build. So the more precise you are about fields and types and relationships, the fewer rounds of correction you'll have with your coding agent. Second, give context about why. Add a business rule that sets priority is a fine thing to give to a prompt, but saying it's because our SLA timers depend on priority being set at creation, it tells the agent the intent behind the logic. And this is important because it'll make better decisions about edge cases when it knows the purpose of why it's building that. Third, break big asks into smaller steps. Don't just say, build me a full incident management app, but instead go one piece at a time. Create the core tables first, then add the assignment business rule, and then build the notification flow. Each of these prompts is a small enough thing that you can review the output before moving on to the next step. And if something's wrong, you can catch it early. Fourth, tell the agent what done looks like. For instance, when this is working, I should be able to create an incident feedback record and see the average rating on the incident form. Doing stuff like that gives Claude Code a target to aim at. It can self-check, basically, as it builds its own work against your definition of done. Fifth, reference your docs. If you followed the PRD and Claude MD episodes from earlier, you've already got context loaded, so your prompts become short because the background is already there. Add the next table from the PRD works because your PRD is already in context. You don't need to keep re-explaining the app every time. But if I had to boil it down to one overarching thought, treat your coding agent like a capable colleague who just sat down at your desk. So you want to give them enough context to do good work, but don't try to dictate every keystroke. All right, thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.